Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Biology with Johnny Lal, and today's video we will discuss about the nervous system of prawn or paleomon. Nervous system of prawn shows similarity to that of annelids. It consists of three portions: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. Here central nervous system as shown on right side and peripheral nervous system as shown on the left side. First of all, the central nervous system. It includes following parts: supraesophageal ganglia, circumesophageal connectives, nerve cord. Now first, supraesophageal ganglia. It lie under the base of rostrum in front of the junction of the esophagus and cardiac stomach. They are embedded in a thick cushion of fat and fuse to form a white bilobe mass, that is brain. Second, circumesophageal connective. These are stout cords of nervous tissue that originate from the posterolateral parts of the brain and pass backward and downward round the esophagus to meet the ventral nerve cord. Each connective bears a small commissural ganglion and a slender mandibular nerve, and sends near its hind end a thin transverse commissure that meets the other connective. And third part of central nervous system is nerve cord, and it lies in the mid-ventral line of the body, just above the sternal plates. Here in case of prawn, it has lost its double nature due to the fusion of its components, while in case of other invertebrates it is double in nature. It bears 17 paired ganglia, and out of these 11 belong to cephalothorax and 6 belong to abdomen. In cephalothoracic ganglia, in which 3 to head and 8 to thorax, fuse to form single large oval mass, that is cephalothoracic ganglionic mass, while abdominal ganglions are arranged segment wise, in which last or sixth abdominal ganglion is larger than others, because here several post-abdominal ganglions fused with it. Now if we talk about the peripheral nervous system, it consists of paired nerves that arise from various parts of central nervous system and innervates the body parts. First of all, 5 pairs of nerves arise from the brain, and these are optic, ophthalmic, antenulary, antennary, and tegumental. Number 1, optic. These nerves arise from the dorsal side of the brain and enter into the retinal part of the eye. Second, ophthalmic. These are thin nerves arise close behind the optic nerve and supply ocular muscle in the eye stalks. Third, antennulary nerves. These nerves leaves the brain anteroventrally. Each nerve enter the antennular of its side and divides into two branches, outer and inner, where outer branch innervates the muscles of the antennular stalk and also send branch to statocyst, which is an organ of balance and orientation, while inner branch innervates the three pillars by three separate branches. Fourth, antennary nerves. These are stout and arise from the ventral side of the brain. Each nerve of its side enters the antenna and divides into two branches, that is outer and inner. Outer goes to squamous part and inner goes to feeler part of antenna. Then fifth, tegmental nerves, which are slender and arise behind the antennary nerves. They innervate labrum. Second, a pair of small mandibular nerve arise from the outer side of each circumesophageal connective and supply to mandible. Thirdly, 11 pairs of nerve originates from the cephalothoracic ganglionic mass, and these are a pair of mandibular, and one point to be noted that a pair of mandibular nerve arise from circumesophageal connective and a pair from cephalothoracic ganglionic mass. So actually two pairs of mandibular nerves are there. Then second pair from cephalothoracic mass is maxillary nerve for maxillary, and a pair of maxillary nerve for maxillae, and three pairs of maxillipedes and five pairs of periopods nerves for the walking legs. Fourth, three pairs of nerve arise from each abdominal ganglion except fifth and sixth, and these are: first, a pair of pedal nerves that enter the pleopods of the corresponding segment. Second, a pair of nerves supplies the extensor muscles of the same segment. And third, a pair goes to flexor muscles of the succeeding segment. Fifth abdominal ganglion gives off only two pairs of nerves, and the nerves of the flexor muscle being absent. And if we talk about sixth abdominal ganglion, it sends two pairs of nerves to the flexor muscles of the sixth segment and two pairs of nerves to the uropods and a pair to telson. Now third portion of nervous system is autonomic nervous system, and a slender nerve on the hind end of the brain and have two visceral ganglia. Anterior visceral ganglion is connected with commissural ganglia present on circumesophageal connective, and posterior visceral ganglion gives off two pairs of nerves to the muscles of the wall of esophagus and stomach. And a slender nerve originates from sixth abdominal ganglion and goes to rectum, and that is rectal nerve. So this is all about nervous system of prawn, and if you like this video then share it so as to reach maximum peoples